guys, it's Brooke. Welcome back to my channel. Since I have you here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do a ton of lifestyle content, fashion content, everything. So be sure to hit that subscribe. It will help out a lot. Today, I am very excited. I am going to be doing a Trader Joe's haul fall edition. So I love the Trader Joe's fall time. The fall products that they have, they have a ton of seasonal things, but the fall products are my absolute favorite. I get so excited going into the store, getting all my fall stuff. So let's get into it. I went a few days ago and I'm gonna show you, maybe a day ago, 2 days ago, and I'm gonna show you everything that I got and why. And this is not like a price thing. Trader Joe's, they don't really, you can't buy stuff online, so it's hard to find their prices unless you actually go to the store and write it down. I'm not gonna talk about their prices. I'm just gonna show you the fall items that I got and why. So let's jump right into it. First, my favorite is their pumpkin pancake and waffle mix. I absolutely love these things. I bought 3 of them. I make waffles with them. They're so easy, and you can definitely taste the pumpkin inside. It's not too sweet, it's great. It's super easy to make, instructions on the back, but I love these. Next up are these pumpkin spice teeny tiny pretzels with yogurt flavoring, coating, and crushed pumpkin spice pumpkin seeds. These, my husband loves these. I enjoy them. Like the label says, they are teeny tiny, so I would buy 2 bags, but these are great. They are 150 calories per serving, which is 11 pretzels. Are yummy. Next, this is organic pumpkin. So it's literally just pumpkin in a can. This is good. You can use this for a lot of cooking and baking. So on their website, I make this thing called, on their website, I believe it's named Fall Turkey Pumpkin Chili. And pumpkin chili sounds weird and kind of gross. It just sounds weird. But that recipe, that turkey pumpkin chili is good. It is so good. It's super easy to make. You use 2 cans and some other ingredients, but it's delicious and easy to make. So I went to town and bought a bunch of canned pumpkin. Next, I got this pumpkin bread and muffin mix. I've actually never tried this, but I'm sure it's going to be delicious. But I'm sure this is gonna be good. Once again, easy to make. Pumpkin butter. I've had this before. I really enjoy this. I put it on my toast bread in the morning, and it's kind of like a jelly consistency, but very delicious. Definitely tastes the pumpkin. I love it. I'm sure you could bake with this too. Make some cookies. And then I bought some non-dairy pumpkin oat beverage. Never tried this before, but I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. I have a automatic espresso machine, so I'll probably pour this over ice and put some espresso in it, and I'm sure it'll be a nice iced pumpkin latte. Then I got some pumpkin chocolate chunk oatmeal cookie mix. I have never tried this before. I have tried some of their other seasonal cookies, like their Christmas time one. I've tried those, so I'm sure these will be just as delicious. I'm really excited. So it's pumpkin and chocolate chip. This is their autumn harvest creamy pasta sauce made with pumpkin and butternut squash. I've had this before. I've made it with some pasta noodles, delicious. So I'm excited about this. And to go with that, I got some fall pasta, organic fall butternut squash pasta. I've never tried this before. These noodles are like in pumpkin shape. They're so cute. I think I'm gonna try these together, but I'm gonna try to make like a vodka pasta sauce with this, and I'm gonna use the pumpkin instead of the regular tomato paste, and do some other ingredients and try to make some pumpkin vodka sauce and see how that tastes. So excited about that. Those are my fall favorites. I couldn't buy any frozen fall favorites because at that time I was traveling out of town, so I couldn't buy any frozen food, but these are all my non-perishable items, fall items that I love. But that's all I really have. So go to your local Trader Joe's, check it out, get to fall pumpkin shopping because these items are my favorites. But that's all I have for you guys today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions for me, some fall stuff for me, put them in the comment section, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll see you guys later.